case. It tirelessly works around the clock, analyzing data and looking for any signs of trouble. It can analyze huge amounts of data from sensors and other sources like satellite images to detect leaks faster and more accurately. This means potential issues can be identified and addressed before they become major problems. Imagine AI as a detective looking for clues. Every piece of data is a potential lead, and the AI sifts through it all with incredible speed and precision. The detective uses the clues to find the problem. Once a potential leak is detected, the AI can alert human operators, who can then take swift action to fix the issue. That's what AI does with pipelines. It continuously monitors the system, ensuring that any anomalies are quickly identified and addressed. It looks for patterns and anomalies that might indicate a leak. By doing so, AI helps to keep our pipelines safe, efficient, and reliable, ultimately protecting both the environment and our resources. Section 5. The future of leak detection AI leading the way. AI is still a relatively new tool for leak detection, but it's already making a big difference. By leveraging machine learning algorithms and real-time data analysis, AI systems can detect anomalies in pipeline operations that might go unnoticed by human inspectors. This technology is not just about finding leaks, it's about understanding the entire health of the pipeline system. And the best is yet to come. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more advanced capabilities. Imagine a future where AI can not only detect leaks, but also predict potential failures before they occur, allowing for proactive maintenance and reducing downtime. In the future, AI will become even more sophisticated. With advancements in deep learning and neural networks, AI systems will be able to analyze vast amounts of data with unprecedented accuracy. This will enable more precise leak detection and more efficient pipeline management. It will be able to predict leaks before they even happen, preventing damage and keeping our pipelines safe and efficient. Predictive maintenance powered by AI will transform the industry, allowing for timely interventions and minimizing the risk of catastrophic failures. AI is revolutionizing the way we monitor and maintain our pipelines, from drones equipped with AI for aerial inspections to robots that can navigate through pipelines. The integration of AI is making inspections more thorough and less invasive. With AI on our side, we can protect our environment, our resources, and our communities. By ensuring the integrity of our pipelines, AI helps prevent environmental disasters, conserves valuable resources, and safeguards the well-being of our communities. The future of leak detection is bright, and AI is leading the way.